I don't have anything to do. Might as well go to the library or something. At the library. Hello? Hello? Oh, yes? I'd like to, find a book. Well, since our library is so popular, we only have one book left. Do you have a library card or do you want to check it out? You know, see if it's the right book for you. I think I'll look at it first, and yes, I have a library card. Okay, let me go get it. Oh, there's a bookmark in it. Sorry about that. But you can keep the bookmark, and if you like the book, you can keep it. Okay. It's a very, very heavy book. Oh, by the way, everyone, this is Breaking Dawn. Yeah, I'm in book 2. Yeah, let's see. Sorry, let me. Well, whoa, that's quite a big book. It's Breaking Dawn. What's that? You don't know what Twilight is? Then you must read it. Okay. Back at her house. I don't know why she said I must. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna love it and be obsessed like some people. I think I'm gonna just sit in my bed right there. Yep. Suppose I'll start reading. 1 hour later. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this book. Okay, this page is what page I'm actually on. 150. Book 2. Jacob. Yep, I love this book. It's a good one. I love Twilight. By the way, yeah, Hello Kitty, the only reason she made this video is because she's obsessed with Twilight. Very, very obsessed. Anytime she hears the word Twilight, she says, Bobby, Jacob! Yes, she says that. Yeah, she is so an ultra fan of Jacob. Yeah, when she was watching the Kids' Choice Awards, and Taylor Lautner won for best butt kicker. Funny. She screamed and she's like, "Don't slime him!" And guess what? He got slimed. Yeah, but anyways, once again, we need names for the American Girl doll. I mean, I can't believe it. We don't have any comments. And no bad comments. And please, 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 please give us more subscriptions. Because we only have 2. And that's in like 2 weeks. Well, it's been since we joined, which was around a month ago or so. We don't remember, but, yep. Twilight! Peace!